Welcome to the $25 Investor. If you've ever wondered how investing just $25 a week could change your financial future, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular and influential companies in the world of entertainment and technology, Netflix. Imagine this. You invest only $25 a week. That's about the cost of a few cups of coffee or a couple of fast food meals. It might not seem like much, but over time, that small amount can grow into a meaningful sum that can help fund your future dreams, retirement, or financial freedom. In this video, we will break down exactly how consistent weekly investments in Netflix can grow over time. We'll cover Netflix's past growth, compare it to the S&P 500, and provide detailed numbers showing how your money could grow over 1, 5, 10, 20, and even 30 years. By the end of this video, you'll see why investing small amounts consistently is powerful, and you'll have a clear picture of how to make your money work for you. So, grab a notebook, settle in, and let's start building wealth 1 week at a time. Investing $25 a week might not feel like a lot, but with the power of consistency, it can make a huge difference. Today we'll focus on Netflix, a company that has transformed the way people consume media across the globe. Many people think investing requires large sums, but that's a misconception. The reality is that regular small investments, when done consistently over time, can grow exponentially thanks to compound growth. This method, often called dollar cost averaging, allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, smoothing out your investment risk over time. For example, if you invest $25 into Netflix every single week, by the end of the year, you will have invested $1,300. That's your first step toward building a portfolio that could grow substantially over the next several decades. Today, we'll explore exactly how much your investment could grow depending on your weekly contributions. Netflix, symbol Netflix, is more than just a streaming platform. It is a global leader in entertainment, producing thousands of movies, TV shows, and original content that reaches hundreds of millions of subscribers worldwide. Netflix has revolutionized the way we watch content, shifting the industry from traditional cable to on-demand streaming. Why invest in Netflix? First, it is a proven growth company with a strong track record of revenue increases and subscriber expansion. Second, Netflix continues to innovate in technology and content creation, which positions it well to dominate the streaming market for years to come. Third, the company's global reach provides diversification for your portfolio because it operates across multiple continents and currencies. Investing in Netflix is essentially buying a piece of the future of entertainment. The company has shown resilience in the face of competition and economic downturns, making it a compelling choice for long-term investors looking to grow their wealth gradually. To understand Netflix's performance, let's compare it to the S&P 500 index, which represents the broader U.S. stock market. Over the past 3 years, SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, has grown at a rate of 20% per year. Over 5 years, its growth rate is 13.65%, and over 10 years, 15.72%. Now let's look at Netflix. Over the past 3 years, Netflix has grown at an impressive rate of 41.49% per year. Over 5 years, its growth rate is 12.83%, and over 10 years, 25.19%. This means that historically, Netflix has outperformed the market over the short and long term. While the S&P 500 is a great benchmark for general market performance, investing in Netflix can provide higher growth potential, albeit with potentially higher volatility. For a small investor contributing $25 weekly, this higher growth can make a noticeable difference over time. Before we continue into the numbers and potential growth of your investment, it's important to pause and note that this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and the examples and opinions shared here are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. With that out of the way, let's move forward and take a closer look at Netflix's historical growth and what this could mean for your weekly investments. Now that we've set the stage, let's take a closer look at Netflix's growth over time. Over the past 3 years, the company has experienced a growth rate of 41.49% annually. That's nearly double the growth of the broader market over the same period. Over 5 years, Netflix's growth rate has been 12.83% per year, slightly below the S&P 500. But when we extend to 10 years, the company has delivered an impressive 25.19% annual growth rate. These numbers show that Netflix has been capable of long-term wealth creation even during periods of market volatility. With these growth rates in mind, you might wonder what this means for your own investment. If you were to invest $25 every week into Netflix, your contributions would start to add up. In 1 year, you would invest a total of $1,300. After 5 years, you would have invested $6,500, and over 10 years, $13,000. Extending your horizon further, 15 years of weekly $25 investments would bring your total contributions to $19,500. 20 years would be $26,000. 25 years would be $32,500, and over 30 years you would have invested $39,000. Of course, the story doesn't end with your contributions. Your money also grows thanks to the power of compound returns. By investing $25 a week into Netflix, your 1-year investment of $1,300 could grow to $13,519 over 5 years. 10 years of investment totaling $13,000 could grow to $42,317. 15 years of consistent investing with $19,500 in contributions could potentially grow to $284,546. At 20 years, your $26,000 could grow to $1,585,397, and 25 years of contributions totaling $31,125 could grow to over $4,471,430. If you decide to increase your weekly contributions to $50, the growth becomes even more compelling. Investing $50 weekly translates to a yearly contribution of $2,600. After 5 years, you would have invested $13,000, potentially growing to $27,039. After 10 years, your total contributions of $26,000 could grow to $84,634. 15 years of investing $39,000 could grow to $569,092. 20 years with $52,000 invested could grow to $3,170,795. And 25 years of $62,250 could grow to over $8,943,487. Now, imagine investing $100 per week into Netflix. Your yearly contribution would be $5,200, and over 5 years, you would have invested $26,000, which could grow to $54,078. After 10 years, your $52,000 of contributions could grow to $169,268. 15 years of contributions totaling $78,000 could grow to over $1,138,185. Over 20 years, your total contributions of $104,000 could grow to $6,341,591. And 25 years of contributions totaling $124,500 could grow to over $17,886,975. Increasing the weekly contribution further to $150 really amplifies growth. Contributing $150 a week equals $7,800 per year. 5 years of contributions totaling $39,000 could grow to $81,117. 10 years, $78,000 invested could grow to $253,902. 15 years of contributions totaling $117,000 could grow to over $1,707,277. 20 years of contributions totaling $156,000 could grow to over $9,512,387. And 25 years of contributions totaling $186,750 could grow to over $26,830,462. For those who want to go even bigger, investing $200 per week into Netflix can produce staggering results. That's $10,400 per year. Over 5 years, a total contribution of $52,000 could grow to $108,157. 10 years of contributions totaling $104,000 could grow to $338,536. 15 years of contributions totaling $156,000 could grow to over $2,276,370. 20 years of contributions totaling $208,000 could grow to over $12,683,183, and 25 years of contributions totaling $249,000 could grow to over $35,773,950. Now imagine pushing your weekly investment to $250. Your yearly contribution would be $13,000. Over 5 years, contributions totaling $65,000 could grow to $135,196. 10 years of contributions totaling $130,000 could grow to $423,171. 15 years of contributions totaling $195,000 could grow to over $2,845,462. 20 years of contributions totaling $260,000 could grow to over $15,853,979, and 25 years of contributions totaling $311,250 could grow to over $44,717,438, even going as high as $300 per week, or $15,600 per year, yields enormous growth over time. 5 years of contributions totaling $78,000 could grow to $162,235. 10 years of contributions totaling $156,000 could grow to $507,805. 15 years of contributions totaling $234,000 could grow to $3,414,555. 20 years of contributions totaling $312,000 could grow to over $19,024,774, and 25 years of contributions totaling $373,500 could grow to over $53,660,925. So, what does this all mean? Consistently investing even a small amount, like $25 a week, into Netflix can create significant wealth over time. Increasing your weekly contributions can exponentially boost your potential growth. The key is consistency, patience, and allowing the power of compounding to work for you. By committing to regular investments, whether $25, $50, $100, or even $300 per week, you are putting yourself on a path to financial growth and potential freedom. In future videos, we'll explore other major companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, Amazon, and Google, comparing their growth and showing which companies could make you rich with just a $25 weekly investment. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more insights and comparisons, make sure to like and subscribe to the $25 Investor so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and remember, small, consistent actions today can lead to life-changing results in the future.